How to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to iPhone. To transfer WhatsApp from one iPhone to another, you can use a QR code, iCloud Backup, or WhatsApp's built-in iCloud Backup feature. To transfer via QR code, install WhatsApp on the new iPhone and sign in with your phone number. A QR code will appear on the screen. Open WhatsApp on your old iPhone, go to Settings, tap on Chats, select Transfer Chats to iPhone, and scan the QR code to move your data. For iCloud Backup, open WhatsApp on your old iPhone. Go to Settings, select Chats, then Chat Backup, and tap Backup Now. On the new iPhone, sign in with the same Apple ID. Install WhatsApp and restore the backup when prompted. Using WhatsApp's iCloud Backup, ensure iCloud Drive is enabled in iPhone settings under your Apple ID. Follow the same backup and restore process to transfer chats seamlessly. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.